Kirui KTN News.
Right, and still in politics, ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi has criticized the use of school vehicles in political activities. Mudavadi claims that school buses are being used to ferry citizens to political gatherings and said this was contrary to the Ministry of Education directives. KTN's Moige William with the details.
After 2 days of visiting Bungoma and Busia counties, ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi joined congregants at St. Jude Catholic Church in Huruma, Eldoret for the Sunday service. Mudavadi has questioned the use of school vehicles for political activities. He wants this to stop forthwith.
Why are school buses being used to ferry people for political purposes? So what happens if there's an accident? Will the parents of that institution buy another bus? Who will be held responsible?
Speaking on the upcoming general election, Mudavadi called on the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission IEBC to prepare well to hold free and fair elections.
Hatutaki kusikia kura za Wakenya zimeibiwa. Tunataka tuwe na viongozi ambao wataweka maslahi yetu mbele, kama ndugu yangu amezungumza kuhusu gharama ya maisha ambayo inatatiza wakulima, inatatiza kila mtu, inatatiza wazazi.
Elsewhere, his One Kenya Alliance counterpart and Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka and ODM presidential aspirant Jimmy Wanjigi hinted at a possibility of working together ahead of the 2022 elections.
I want you to know Jimmy is a wonderful person to work with. Once he's committed to a cause, you can't change him. And that is the energy he has. If you see Jimmy going for something, don't take it lightly. I know him.
The like-minded must come together. They must come together. Kwa sababu ile danger ambao tuko nayo huku mbele is very dangerous. Tuko kwa hatari kabisa. Na we cannot keep having an election, na kila election ni mambo ya baba. Bas, hiyo sasa imeisha.
Jimmy Wanjigi is eyeing the ODM ticket together with Raila Odinga, who is yet to formally announce his bid for the top seat. Moige William, KTN News.
And away from politics, tension is still high in Elgeyo Marakwet County following Saturday's bandit attack that left 4 people dead. Police have launched a manhunt for the suspected cattle rustlers as residents fear retaliatory attacks in the volatile Kerio Valley